Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Does the word investing make your head spin? Do you see all these charts and numbers and just think, nope, not for me? Well, what if I told you that starting to invest is way easier than you think, even if you have zero experience? Today, I'm breaking it all down into simple, actionable steps. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to start building your wealth. No finance degree required. So grab a notebook and let's get started on your journey to becoming an investor. First things first, what even is investing? Don't overcomplicate it. Investing is simply putting your money into something with the expectation that it will grow over time. Instead of your money just sitting in a savings account, barely earning any interest, you're giving it a job to do to make more money for you. This is the magic of compound interest, where your earnings start to earn their own earnings. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, getting bigger and bigger all by itself. That's the power we want to unlock. So, where do you start? The very first step is to figure out your why. Why do you want to invest? Is it for retirement? A down payment on a house? To travel the world? Or maybe just to have more financial freedom? Knowing your goal is super important because it helps determine your strategy. For example, if you're saving for retirement in 30 years, you can probably take on a bit more risk than someone saving for a house down payment in 3 years. Write down your goals. Make them real. This will be your motivation to stay the course, even when the market gets a little bumpy. All right, you've got your why. Now for the how. You need to open an investment account, also known as a brokerage account. Think of it like a special bank account just for your investments. There are tons of great, user-friendly options out there these days, many with mobile apps that make it incredibly simple. Look for brokers with low or no fees and no account minimums. This makes it really accessible to start, even with a small amount of money. The sign-up process is usually quick and straightforward, similar to opening a regular bank account online. Once your account is open, it's time for the big question. What should you invest in? This is where a lot of people get stuck, but let's keep it simple. For most beginners, a fantastic starting point is a low-cost index fund, or an ETF, which stands for Exchange Traded Fund. What are these? Imagine a basket that holds tiny pieces of hundreds or even thousands of different companies. When you buy a share of an index fund, like one that tracks the S&P 500, you're instantly diversified. You own a small slice of the 500 largest companies in the US. This is way less risky than trying to pick individual winning stocks. It's a set to and forget-it approach that has historically performed very well over the long term. The final and most crucial step is to be consistent. You don't need a huge lump sum to start. In fact, one of the best strategies is called dollar cost averaging. This just means investing a fixed amount of money on a regular schedule. Say $50 or $100 every month, no matter what the market is doing. When prices are high, you buy fewer shares. When prices are low, your money buys more shares. This automates your investing, removes the emotion of trying to time the market, and builds a disciplined habit. Consistency is what truly builds wealth over time, not trying to get rich quick. So let's recap the simple steps. First, define your financial goals. Second, open a low-cost brokerage account. Third, start with a simple, diversified investment like a low-cost index fund or ETF. And fourth, invest consistently, even if it's just a small amount. That's it. You are now officially an investor. The key is to start, learn as you go, and stay patient. Your future self will thank you for it. If this guide helped you, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple finance tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.